I'm Paul West from the West Group, and today I'd like to talk to you about our new EOX Modular check valve kit. I want to show you how this will be of great use to you and your new device. The EMV check valve is a totally modular check valve that can be pre-configured by yourself, or by us if you need further help, with the choice of selecting the input connection, outlet, O-ring seals and cracking pressures. With each kit comes the following: a row of cartridge check valve options with various cracking pressures, O-ring seals. These are the function parts of the check valve itself, an inlet outlet case and also locking clips to prevent any accidental disconnections. I'm now going to show you how easy this is to configure for your new device. Once you've selected the cracking pressure, O-ring seals and connection ends, you can now add your locking clips on either end, making sure you add them with the correct flow direction. Flow arrows are visible on the cartridge for this reason. You now have your complete check valve configuration. If you do need help pre-configuring your check valve, please email us or visit our website. Thank you.